Rekordbox in basic is free for exporting songs to a USB drive and even for some features when DJing with Rekordbox. The trick is to activate Rekordbox in a very counterintuitive way. In the background here, you'll see the installation process. If you want a step-by-step instruction on the installation process, watch my installation video. I will link it in the description. Once the installation process is finished, you need to create an account or use an existing account. It says the activation is completed. Now click on OK. Now we get 150 nag screens for you to buy a subscription. So we are going to ignore this. So click on skip. And yes, I want to skip. When you boot up Rekordbox, you get a screen that looks something similar like this. Now click on next. Again, click on next. Again, click on next. Again, click on next. Click on next. And then it says here, click to proceed, and click on that. And I know it looks a little bit scary, click to proceed, and I personally thought that I unwillingly agreed to a subscription, but nothing happened in the end. Now you get a screen that looks probably something similar like this. Uncheck this option over here so it won't display again, and then exit this dialog. And now you can start using Rekordbox. And every feature that you see over here now is unlocked because you are in the trial version. The trick is to let the trial version expire, and then after, in this case, 29 days, like you can see here on the bottom, then you will be automatically switched to the free version of Rekordbox. In the video here on the screen, I'll show you what the difference is between the paid versions and the free versions, like this dual player mode that allows you to stick 2 tracks on top of each other. My step-by-step Rekordbox training you can find in the description below.